Hello everyone, sorry to keep you waiting. My name is Charmae and our team aims to elucidate a relatively obscure structure within the body, which is the microbiome, with machine learning software. Our goal is to create a tool researchers can use to map and predict the growth of and behavior of microorganisms within the human microbiome. We hope that with the software's ability to synthesize physiological interactions, scientists can discover new patterns that will advance our understanding of the important role the microbiome plays in health, disease, and ultimately longevity. Okay, the microbiome can be understood as the ignored middle child to the more popular microbiome. It makes up less than 0.01% of the micropopulation, which is probably why it's been overlooked for so long. Nevertheless, it plays a key role in health, disease, and aging. Our immune system is constantly responding to existent fungi within the body. It is hypothesized that fungi train our immune system to discriminate between benign microbes and the harmful ones. And in this healthy example, this is basically showing a specified immune response to a particular strain of fungus while maintaining the population of the benign. And in here, this is an overgeneralized antifungal cytotoxic response, which leads to tissue damage, and in this example, it's depicting dermatitis. All right, our microbes exist in a delicate balance, and when it's disrupted, they're associated with a plethora of diseases and illnesses, including cancer. This graphic over here just lists the associated fungi. When it's overgrown, it's kind of just related to these diseases. Our understanding of the microbiome is very limited because this is an emerging field. The term microbiome was coined as recently as 2013, so there is still so much to learn, and we hope that our predictive model can help us understand this further. So what our model does is it analyzes population distribution, growth patterns, and response to specific fungi to their environment in a real-time simulation. And we're going to show you the demo now. Oh, we can mute them. But yeah, here it's showing the population of certain strains of fungi. Yeah. And right here are sliders that change the parameters, and the color as well as the text here indicates the state of the population of said fungus. And to further elaborate how this works, it integrates microbiome sequencing, data, and deep learning to predict and model healthy and unhealthy states. There is so much potential in bridging biology and technology to understand this long overlooked mechanism. Through investigating the microbiome, we can revolutionize how we address health challenges and improve the lives of people in the here and now. Thank you. Oh yes, and there is so much speculation still. I'm so sorry. There is so much speculation to be had with this field, and a lot of questions that we don't have answers to. I also want to extend my thanks to all the organizers, mentors, and judges, as well as Manuel Capiendo, who developed our demo, Arwin and Acel, and myself, who worked on the research paper in addition to the demo, and this presentation. So the floor is now open for questions.
So I saw the demo, and give us an idea of what are we seeing here. What do the colors represent? Please excuse me if you said that. I didn't hear that part.
Of course, yes, sir. Yeah, so if anyone didn't hear, the question was about what the colors represented and as well the actual demo. So since this is a very emerging field, a lot of data is required, and we don't know a lot about it. So going through our research paper, this was supposed to visualize basically how the hundreds, maybe even thousands of different fungi could. So we want to understand how that works and possibly go for a way to simulate the behaviors that works in the human body.
Okay.
Oops.
Can you try to measure this against the tools that already exist for the microbiome? Because you can already map the whole microbiome. And there is a possibility to draw a parallel between the two techniques there. Have you ever thought about that?
If anyone didn't hear, he was asking about how we kind of compared it to the microbiome and how they analyze this. Is that what you were saying, sir? So yeah, there was a few research where they developed sorry about that. They did develop a analysis for modeling it. There was very little for the microbiome because it's just so unknown. So being able to gather as much data as possible with the research is just a great way to be able to utilize that as well and find out more about this emerging field. Thank you. Thank you very much.